All right, Benjamin, we're going to read this together, so I'm going to point and you can follow along with me, and then we're going to go through the questions. I'm going to give you a chance to do them on your own, and then I'll go back and go through them, and I might give you some hints like Miss Doring normally does. I'll give you which paragraphs you might find them in, all right? All right, this story we're reading today is Woman Chases Thief. So, a married couple got home around midnight. They walked into their house and found a mess. There were things all over the floor. A burglar had been in their home. They decided to call the police. Just then, someone walked in the door. It was the burglar returning. He saw the husband and wife, turned around, and ran out the door. The woman ran after the burglar. The thief was a big man, standing 6 feet tall and weighing 165 pounds. He was 32 years old. The woman was 36 years old and not tall. She weighed only 115 pounds. She did not want to let the burglar get away. Down the street they ran. The burglar saw a truck going down the street and jumped on it. The woman chased the truck. When the truck stopped, the burglar had to get off. This let the woman catch up. She leaped on the burglar's back and held on tight. He tried to shake her off, but he could not. The husband caught up with them, grabbed the burglar, and wrestled him to the ground. He put the burglar in a hammerlock. That is a type of a wrestling hold. Then he sat on top of him and waited until the police arrived. The police were amazed that such a small woman could catch and stop such a big man. All right, so we're going to go through these questions, and then there's 2 pages, and then when you're finished, we'll go through them together and see how you did. If you need help with them, this one right here, I'll put down which paragraph number to look for them in, okay? And this one, you have to grab the dictionary, you bet. So we'll make sure to do that. All right, sounds good. Then if you want to go ahead and do that, I'll grab you a dictionary.